Hey there everyone! In today's video we are going to cook some Alfredo pasta. But first I'm going to grind my onions and along with my garlic. Then place it aside until you're ready to cook it. Let's clean the benches before we cut the chicken, guys. Cut 1.5 large breast into small pieces and keep it cool in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Always clean your workbench after processing raw meat, guys. Mix 1.5 cups of whole cream milk and some cooking cream. Then mix it together. Keep it cool, guys, and preheat your pan. 1 tablespoon of butter and melt it into your hot pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add your chopped onion as well as your chopped garlic. Mix it through. Your water should be on as well. Some water for your fettuccine. Add about a teaspoon of salt into your water. Chopped bacon and it goes. Together with your chopped onions and garlic that's already nice and brown. And my water is starting to boil, so I'm going to add that fettuccine into my water. It's time to add my chopped chicken breast in, guys. Add your final touches. Then mix your cream and add it into your chicken as well. And cook it until it's thickened. Let's taste it, guys. Nice, just the way I like it. My fettuccine is nice and al dente as well. Cleaning the containers, guys. And I'm repacking the sauce for the hubby now. So there you are, guys. He's packing all his dinner and lunches and put it into the ute. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching, and I see you on my next one. Mix 1.5 cup of full cream milk and cooking cream. Mix it together so that you don't get any lumps on them. Also, place it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Preheat your pan. When your pan is hot, place about 1 tablespoon of butter. Swirl it around your pan until it gets melted, guys. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add your chopped onions to the pan and also your garlic. Then mix it together until it's nice and brown. And I also have my water on for my fettuccine. I wait for that until it gets a little bit bubbly before I put in my fettuccine pasta. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also put some chopped bacon to it so that it'll come up nice and tasty, guys. And my water is almost bubbly, so I'm going to get the fettuccine out of the fridge now. I only needed one packet, so I'm going to put the other one in the fridge. I just love it when the color gets to this stage because that's where I get all the flavor from. When the bacon is cooked, guys, you need to put the chicken pieces in and then make sure you spread it around the frying pan or the pot that you cook into so that you don't have to mix the chicken pieces too much, otherwise the chicken is going to get tough. Then mix it all together, guys. And season with salt and pepper. Then I'll put some more chicken powder mix to it. Then mix it through briefly. Then mix your cream and milk. Then pour it into your chicken mixture, guys. And mix it together until it's all incorporated. Simmer it for about 15 minutes or until your sauce is nice and thickened. I also got my fettuccine into my water.